Vaginal estrogen cream. Have you heard about this? Well, I had not heard about it until a few months ago when I was scrolling through Twitter and I noticed a few very loud voices in the medical world talking about how awesome this treatment is for multiple chronic conditions that affect women all over the world. So I got curious, I did my own research, and I wanted to highlight 3 of those chronic conditions today that this treatment could be an option for. And I'm definitely not a doctor, I'm just a curious individual, so I encourage you to do your own research on this and come to your own conclusions. So, number 1, overactive bladder. Estrogen can help regulate the receptors in the bladder that are in charge of the feelings of sensitivity and urgency. And when those receptors get regulated, a lot of the symptoms just disappear. So, no more overactive bladder. Number 2, recurrent urinary tract infections. We all know going on antibiotics over and over again is not necessarily the best thing. However, when you're using this treatment, a lot of the flora gets reintroduced and the good bacteria are reintroduced, so you're naturally fighting off infection, therefore not having recurrent urinary tract infections. Number 3, vaginal dryness and atrophy. This cream effectively eliminates this feeling of dryness, discomfort, and overall improves the sexual health of many women, especially those in perimenopause or postmenopausal, or even younger women that may have gone through a procedure that has limited their estrogen levels of some sort. So definitely look into this area more to see who would be the best candidate based on the research. In conclusion, as someone that's just very passionate about the medical world and especially innovative technologies that are coming out of it, I love seeing something like this that's so simple and so effective, and I encourage all of you, check out the blog. I have the references at the bottom of the page that you can see where some of the studies came from and look into them further. And also go look into Dr. Ashley Winter. She is the spearhead in this movement for vaginal estrogen cream. And let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts? Is this a good thing? Do you already prescribe this to your patients? I want to know what is going on in the world of vaginal estrogen. Thank you, and I'll see you next week.